by the time I got there it was too late. Like, it was already dead. There was nothing I could do, so.
Ice cream, very good.
And the bus dropped us off at a far-off place. Now that's a long walk. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Alicia, and if you've seen our previous videos, then thank you for sticking around. Okay, as you can see, I'm starting a vlog in a very different location, which is not my house. So that means, yeah, it's not going to be an in-the-house video. We're actually going to a Dutch farm. So I've been here before, but this will be my second time here in the farm. Ahmed's mom, which is my mother-in-law, she's here, and we brought her here to the farm because she wanted to see. So, yeah. Here we are at the farm. I think a few kilometers walk to go before we get to the farm. Okay, so thankfully the summers have kind of cooled down a little because it was so hot this past week. But thankfully it was raining yesterday and the previous day, so the weather is great today. I love the clouds. The sun is out, but it's kind of cloudy at the same time, making the day a little chilly, but just perfect for going out. So yeah, let me show you. Okay, so I'll continue the vlog once we get at the farm.
A few moments later.
Okay, let me show you guys how shallow the water table is here in Netherlands. So do you see this? 0 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 100, and at 150. So if you dig like 150 centimeter in this ground, you would reach water. So, you know, no wonder this place is so like agriculturally perfect, and why there's so much greenery here, because the water is so easily available to all the plants. And we made it to the farm. There it is. Let's go inside. First farm thingies are these ducks, and an entire bathtub filled with water for them. Hi vlog! That's my mother-in-law, and I see a lot of people here today. Okay, first of all we have the shed for the hens. Free range, I think. So you see that the hens, they're like not fed the poultry farm food. They basically eat everything, whatever they want from the ground, and then they lay all healthy eggs and stuff. So yeah, they think I'm feeding them something, but I'm not. I'm sorry. I've got nothing. I don't think we're allowed to feed them.
Look at Jet in Holland.
Yes. This is where they lay eggs. Okay, no offense, but this place smells exactly like what I expected. Like the farm. Hi! So this entire building is a cheese factory. Let's go inside. So this is the shop, this is the entrance. It's called this shop. Okay, so we made capsulon. Let's have that because, of course, we cannot find halal stuff here at the farm. So we brought our own food.
Nice.
Looks so good. So we're at the storage where they store all the hay. And then they wrap it up in those like bundles. So nice. Where are all the cows? The cows are gone. They're gone grazing. Distance, these bundles didn't look as big, but let me show you how big they are. They're literally like half the size of my length. Like, look at this. Oh, now we're at the greenhouses where they have all the vegetation and stuff. I found grapes. Look at these. They're so cute. Can I taste one? It's so good. And I thought it's going to be sour, but it's not. Let's go give it to Ami.
Thank you. Very tasty.
Scarecrow. Mr. Scarecrow. This is actually scary. Even humans would be scared of it. Carrot. Someone please educate me on what these flowers are because they're so pretty. I found that little thing that the squirrel has in Ice Age. Pears! So far, this is the only one I could find on this entire thing. Apples! This one's eaten by something.
A few moments later.
Okay, I just see a live. Oh my god, it's eaten. Well, mar gaya wo. It's too late to. It's too late to save it now. It's dead.
No, it's not dead.
It is dead. It was dead. It's too late for it now. We saw it too late. I actually feel bad recording this moment, but by the time I got there it was too late. Like, it was already dead. There was nothing I could do, so now it's just food. So we're out of the farm, although it was a sad ending, but we had fun. Now we're probably headed somewhere else. We're here at this place. And we have a watermill or a watermelon. Okay, now we're headed to the city center Eindhoven because Ami wanted to see it. So that's where we're headed right now. Taking the bus from here, and yeah, that's where we'll stop. And we're here. I did go a little crazy at Zara, but I mean, it's obligatory, right? It's pretty crowded today. I think the weather is good, that's why.
An eternity later.
No waiting, bus is already here.
Later.
Unfortunately, the stop that's closest to our house, that road is like under construction or something. And the bus dropped us off at a far off place. Now that's a long walk. And Ami was like really tired. But unfortunately, she's gonna have to walk again. This is it for this video. I had so much fun thanks to the weather, so much better than last week, and I think that is what made the entire trip so much more fun, because it wasn't like scorching hot. I'll see you guys next time in the next video, and if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't, and until next time, bye.